How to download free MP3 music from YouTube Studio Audio Library. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download royalty-free music directly from the YouTube Audio Library. It's completely free for eligible creators and perfect for adding background music to your videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Step 2. Open the audio library. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side. Scroll down if needed and click Audio Library. Here you'll find a large collection of free music and sound effects that YouTube provides for creators. Step 3. Find a music track. Browse through the available songs or use the search bar to find music by genre, mood, artist, duration, or instrument. You can click the play button next to any track to preview it before downloading. Step 4. Download the MP3 file. When you find a song you like, click the download button next to the track. The music will instantly download to your computer as an MP3 file, ready to use in your YouTube videos. Some tracks require attribution, so be sure to check the license information before using them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.